Today is the day that God is going to deliver us. And I believe today God is going to break all the bandings which is preventing us to grow in Him.
Prevents
God is going to open door for our life. I want to tell you, growing in the spiritual life is the wrestling. Whenever you come to the revival, God begins to talk to you. God empower you. God gives you vision. God gives you call for your life. He gives you promise. We get so much energetic in our life. But after the revival camp, the real training is started. I want to tell you, growing in God is a wrestling with devil. When God called you, it's a journey. Be faithful, He will build your life. I want to tell you from the book of Exodus chapter 14 verse 13 and 14.
WOITEI chapter 14 verse 13 14
What we need to do in our harder situation. I want to tell you, God not called you this much far to left you. God not called you to go back your previous life, but He is going to open door for you. When Israelites started to murmur over God and Moses,
over Israel
I want to tell you why they started to murmur. They were in the Egypt and serving Egyptian.
Egyptian land
A mighty generation becomes slave.
I
want to tell you, sin makes us slave. But God always sends someone to inform His people that He may come, there is a life.
God
sent Moses to these people. God could not see their sufferings. And God wants to deliver them. Don't come with God to see the miracle and the prosperities. But come with God to have personal relationship. Either what will happen in our life? Egyptian come with Moses to see all kinds of powerful, mighty work of God.
Egyptian mapaibu katala imana hado mosa tang la paiba imana kanyang wang hangilak cingna kanyang wang hatui leng bungilak cingna hey mosa tang la payang ki.
Not knowing how God is powerful.
iman kawang wong hang sen yong bu kawang cheng ye sen yang boy kawang ngan wong tui lung bung yelak sen hai pa yang
So when they reach in front of Red Sea,
yang boy boy iman hado yengching attack song da pa ya boy
backside Pharaoh army coming.
tok phai ma bo faro sipai lan nya pong lan pa yang
In front of them there is a Red Sea.
yang iman si so ma hado yengching attack ngo yang
Sometimes it is the situation of our mental and spiritual life too.
hipak ta teman ayan do hado ki bu pai nang chute me yang mai yaha ase ma hado ki bu ya tu so teman da hauna
We stuck in that kind of place where we cannot go forward also, we cannot go backward. We do not understand what to do.
yang teman da hado ki bu ya tu so nang so da kem yok tok pai da kem yok yang wang da le do hado ki bu hai wang hai chingi kahtok ta khu da kahtok ni bu ki teman da hado ki bu hai so da tok pai da kem yok wa hado ki bu ya tu so teman da pai nang
Today we must know how powerful our God is.
tau kai tinyi teman te tau ha angsan kawang angan wong
He not called you to go back.
kawang anyuk po nang tok pai da yilak sing nang da nyuk po
In your harder time, be quiet and look to the Lord.
nang da so shi bu nang da yong ya du so yemai bu hipang mananga jeng ha kawang si so da payang kawang da nyuk
I believe God is talking to someone today.
tau teng la ka tai nang kawang nang da ngau la
You know what happens?
hangi ngai bu si
They started to murmur.
imana yong ang kawang si so ma yang mo sa da ngunga na kong wang yin
And they says in the verse 12,
imana verse 12 me wa pan mi imi wa
didn't we say to you in the Egypt, leave us alone?
tau naman nang da ai ya teman Egyptian ma teman ang tau phase
It would be better that we may serve Egyptian.
tau ba hai semai ha su bu teman na ha tau Egyptian ma teman ra ba cha na meng yang ra na meng yang iman tui lung bu tau ba hai semai ha su bu teman yan da si
Then to die in the desert.
ha tau nyu chang ma wan wang chang ma teman li lai ma ha tau tui lung bu pa semai ha su bu da si iman te ngau yang ke
I want to tell you,
tau i hu ba na
my loving brother and
tau
sister,
kan bu nya nau che nau la
God didn't brought you this much far that you may go back.
kawang nang tau sen jai bu nyu chang ma nang ya ngai wat nang tok pai da yi lak chen nang da ya ngai bu
My loving sister,
tau kan bu nya nau
God delivered you
kawang nang de
from wrong relationships,
nang hado wrong relationship ngopo hado nang yan yang ke
not to go back.
nang tok phe da lai lak
But
chen nang ye po ye
Go forward in Christ,
yang po nang kawang phe nang kem do
in the way of Christ.
yang kawang mong bu lam man nang yong do
I believe God is filling you today.
tau teng la ka ta nang kawang nang da ngau la
God touching you today.
kawang nang da chun gla
It's going to be very amazing today.
yang atin ye bo hado nga wa nang cheng da mo he man ngau na myang la
The one answer Moses given to people.
hado ngau pha cha answer ja hai kawang iman khatalan da mo sa phayang ke
I want to tell you two secret keys.
tau hado yong lu bu ngau pha i ngau bu na
When hard time comes in your life,
awan nang iyan da yong a so shi bu he pak pa ya bai
keep faith.
nang ateng lak po ang do
Seek God's presence
yang a kawang im yam do
because God is powerful God.
hang jing ne kawang a e ngan wong yong nang
Moses spoke to them.
Moses ngau yang ki Mosai iman e ka dalan ngau yang ki
Do not fear.
nang ta nyam
Today you will see the miracle of God.
kawang may bun nang ngilang
And backside whom you are watching the Pharaoh enemy is coming, you will never ever see again.
nang tok phai mangibu hado ka dan nang opo hado ka dalan yang ngilak si
I believe God is going to solve all your problems which is following you till now.
tau ateng la ka te nang tok phai da au hi buya bai hado asai saji ang tau klak se tau
This is the time of revival.
hado hipak nang ayan na lenga yi bu hipak na myang nang
God is going to deliver you.
nang ayan na tam glak
God is going to solve all your problems.
yang nang ayan da pai bu sang ha so shi bu asai kawang lenga yi
Stand in the presence of God.
tau pai kawang bu fen nang yong do
He is going to open the door for your life.
nang chung na ateng bata fan nang da epatam
I
glak
believe today onwards,
tani da ngoi tani ma pai tau nang da ateng la ka
while we're going to pray,
au ba tuman jo pra pa
whatever problems are following till now to you,
hangi problem hangi ba sang ha so shi nang do pai da boya pai
do not discourage.
abo nang mong sang mong suita
Don't murmur.
abo kawang si sa man nang mamar ngu nga ta yong
God is going to open the door.
tau kai kawang nang da ateng bata fan epatam gla
He can part the sea for your life.
iya hatau yengching atakan nang ching ni epatam gla
You are moving forward.
yang nang sauda kem okla
You are going forward.
nang sauda kem okla
Say to yourself, I'm going forward.
tau ko nang sahan nang nying san nang ngau tau sa ji sauda kem deke
With God.
kawang phai
It's wrestling.
hatau aching na wi hok chang
I will win.
tau okla
I will not allow devil to discourage me.
yanda kasi anu ya ha ada opos mongshine
I know God is powerful.
hang jing ne kawang bonga phai ngonang
He will make way for me.
yang ia aching na ateng balam nyu lenga
Close your eyes and tell this.
yang nang mangoi gai
God,
kawang
I want to have faith.
tau nang phai ting tau ateng lak hu nang
Give me faith.
nang te ateng ba lak pu ada ya kai
Fill me by your spirit
yang nang ya ha chau ada ma dam pha
that I can move forward.
ha tau kai tau nang phai kem hu nang
Move forward.
tau nang phai kem lak
I speak in Jesus' mighty name.
tau khawang men tau inang
God is going to touch you.
khawang nang da ngau kala